Here's a quick tip on how to improve your Rattan ring training. It's a very common technique is the pull down and punch or the chain punch. Main thing is keep your hands as high as your head, keep your guard hand in your middle gate and your striking hand in the upper gate because nothing is happening down here. So keep the hands moving forward. It's very common in MMA and in boxing to pull your opponent's hand down and then strike through the open door. Or if they strike at you, parry and then counter, parry and then counter. Or you can just use total aggressive display of force and punch, 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 punch in a circular format. But if you want to translate it to the ring, which ends up giving you a tighter bridge, stronger forearms, and more coordination, it's hard because when you weave your hands, the ring tends to want to roll and flop around. It doesn't want to go in a straight line as much. In order to improve that, make sure that you scissor your hands. The elbows pitch in towards the center line while the hands pull up and out. Okay, elbows pitch in, hands up and out. So I pull down, strike, and when I strike, I scissor my hands to control the ring. I pull down and strike, scissor my hands. That way I'm actively driving the elbows in, pulling the hands up and out. This is a really great way to make sure that your elbows are alive and ready to block the center line, and that your hands are also ready to control on the outside of the combat zone. Good luck, enjoy your training.